Liter AMC out of a Jeep here. It's in for a mag and a resurface, and also it has a broken off thermostat bolt. So let's get after it. Magnafluxer, it's just a magnet and some powder. Now I see something. Look at that, this thing's cracked right in the middle. So I'm gonna put a crack repair pin in here. I'll drill a hole out, put a tap in there, and then put a tapered plug in there with some sealant. We'll be using to do this crack repair. I got a drill bit, tapered tap, the actual plug we're putting in there, and then a little bit of fluid weld. Remember, your taps always need a little liquid courage to go in the hole. The sealant. There you go. All right, now we're just going to peen this thing a bit. What it looks like after the repair. Obviously there's still a little crack underneath that, but by me putting that pin in there, stops that crack from growing all the way across that surface right there. All right, see if that worked. Sweet. That guy came right out. Hey, so on the vacuum test, this valve came up a little bit low on the vacuum gauge. So let's pull it out and see what it looks like underneath. It just looks like there's a little bit of carbon deposits on the back side of the intake valve in the seat. So this just buff this out and see if it brings that number up. I'm just grinding the valve seat and grinding the valve to make everything work. This guy's on a budget, so this will get him by. Check that after buzzing the valve and seat. Pegs the gauge, look at that. Just got the AMC and the surfacer and it's all level, so let's get to cutting. This thing after 4 thousandths is touching on this end and this end, and at least it's touching in the middle, but it's right where I put that crack repair pin, so that doesn't even count. Like I said, this thing got pretty freaking hot. Okay, now we're at 12 thousandths total that I machined off this thing, and this center cylinder still hasn't cleaned, and then this outer edge hasn't, so it'll probably take another 3 for it to clean up, making the total 15. All right guys, the final pass. Look, it cleaned up. 15 thousandths later, this thing's nice and clean. I just got the head of the surfacer. Thing looks pretty dang good. You can see where I did that crack repair. I'm gonna put some premium Viton valve stem seals and put you on hyperlapse, so let's get to it. Finished up this budget 4-liter AMC head. Like I said, I put some seals in it, buzzed the seat, surfaced it, and did that crack repair. That 4-liter head got pretty dang hot. It's all good to go now though. Like I said, we changed them seals, fixed the crack, extracted that bolt, and surfaced it up. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.